Hello friends, this is Jon 1xbet. Now we start playing on Crash game. Check it, this is 1xbet site. I open Crash game, check it. URL don't change, it's upload. Now I open my application. This is my application where you can see next half. You see, Planet Fly. Oh my god, it's very long update. Check it, good. Check it next half. I have a not good internet now, but now I think it's good work. Check it. Good. Check it next Kev. Planets fly. And you see. Amazing. Amazing. Now friends, I'm maybe let's bet. Yes. Check it. You see next Kev. Collect. Amazing. It's real working. It's real game. Check it. This next calf, this last calf, and I stop this video. Amazing. Goodbye my friends and good luck.